Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today we are in the garage and we are going to be painting the new Quail Hutch. The greenhouse is pretty much done. The only thing that's left is the roof and I need my husband's help with that, so I'm just waiting for his next day off so that we can get that done. So in the meantime, we're going to be doing this. My son Nikolai is going to be helping me. He's getting ready. So yeah, let me just set you guys up on a tripod. We'll get all of our pieces out. We did set up some tables here. We're going to set out the pieces on those tables and just start getting them painted. And then once they're all painted, here he is. Once they're all painted, we can start getting the wire on and getting them all put together, which the quail, I'm sure, will be quite happy with. So let's get you guys set up and we'll get started. first coat is painted. Now we just need to wait for everything to dry before we can flip everything over to get the other side. So we're gonna head inside and warm up a little bit because it is cold out here. See you guys in a little bit. Alrighty guys, I am back. It's a little bit later. I had to get dinner in my Instapot. And it is now dark outside and very cold. So I gotta keep my ears warm. Anyway, everything is dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip everything over and paint the underside. And then I guess just let it dry overnight. And then tomorrow I can put the second and final coat on. And then I can start getting everything put together. So let's just get right to it. that will need done is the second coat. You did notice that I left a few spots unpainted, and that's because they have letters on them. Let me show you. Some of the spots have letters. I need to be able to see what parts are marked with which letters so I know how to put them together later. So if they are showing, I can always go back through with a paintbrush and touch up those spots, but for right now, having those letters showing is really important. But All right, so it is late. It is getting cold. I can't do any more painting tonight, so I'm going to finish the second coat tomorrow, and then I will see you guys in the next video for putting wire on and building this thing.
Me too.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.